Hello everyone, Hazel's Emporium here. Welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my pram. So everyone, for today's video is brought to you by Fytoo eyeglasses. Thank you so much, Fytoo, for reaching me out. Second time collaborating with this company. Thank you big time so much to that. So they give this product to me for free in exchange of my video. Of course, I will be doing an unboxing and I will try this on. Okay, so a little bit information about Fytoo eyeglasses, guys. This is a professional optical brand, and they do have a numerous services like online and local stores. They also committed to becoming an international optical brand. How cool is that, right? And they are very affordable, guys. They designed this affordability design to reach out the people, and so people can afford to buy their glasses, because we all know better vision is very important to us. Better vision has a better life ahead. Okay, so Fytoo eyeglasses has this different kind of, let's say, they do have sunglasses, eyeglasses, which is prescription eyeglasses, and they also have this kind of sports eyeglasses. You can use this outdoor, while you're having a running, a jogging, all outdoor activities. They do have that kind of glasses. And they also have a clip-on. It looks like a shady kind of clip-on, right? If you do have these prescription eyeglasses, and if you just wanted to add on a clip-on, then Fytoo has that too. Okay, and Fytoo has an accessories to your eyeglasses, or to your glasses, not specifically eyeglasses, to the glasses. Okay, so as I've said, they have different shapes like round shape, oval shape, rectangular shape, pretty much all the shapes. You can go check the Fytoo. They all has this trendy shapes and colors. They have neon, they have the classic colors. They do have a lot of colors. You can check that, you can differentiate, and you can choose what color, what shape of style you do really like one. Okay, so as I've said, better vision is a better life. Right, and very affordable. Take note, because today is their 3rd year anniversary, so Fytoo has a 30% discount in all items. So without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing of this. Pretty much talking too much, right? So I have this to unbox, and please see me more in my unboxing and to my try on in this. Thank you advance. Okay, so we will unbox this. Okay, and please careful when using sharp objects. Okay, all right. Look at this. Ta-da! Can't wait to open up this. Okay, so thank you so much, Fytoo, for this. So generous though. I have 4 different glasses. I can't wait to open up this. Okay, let's open one at a time, guys. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay. Wow, I like the color. Let's put that. Ha! What do you say? Okay, let's go to the next one. Exciting, hey? I know, me too. I can't really wait to try that on with me. And oh, look at this. Very generous. Thank you so much, Fytoo, for this. Look at that. Oh my god, I can't really wait to try this on with me. And that's the second one. And I have this. Looks classic. Okay. Ooh. Let's open all 4 and then we will carry on in the fitting. Okay? So the last but not the least is here. The cat eye shape and color pink and maroon. Is it beauty, huh? Oh my goodness. Can't really wait to try all of this. Okay? So what do you say? Well, thank you so much, Fytoo, for this. You are such a generous. 4 glasses, guys. Could you believe that? For free. In exchange to this video and try on an unboxing. Okay? Alright, so we will proceed to the try on and this. And I have here, I have the wipes to each of the glasses, okay? It's included. So, yeah. I got these wipes. 1 wipe in each, okay? So, let's try one at a time. Oh, looks like I am a principal. What I love this one, guys, is no nose lid, which it doesn't shape really. It doesn't give a mark. What do you think of this? Pretty cool, hey? So, yeah. Let's proceed to the next one. Okay? Perfect. This looks so beautiful. What do you say? Oh my god. Okay, farther back. Just so gorgeous, eh? Let's ponytail my hair. Okay. I love this one. Yes. And I like it. What do you say? Fashion, hey, fashion. This is a cat eye design or shape. I love it so much. Oh my god, look at this. And 30% in all items, guys. So go hurry, go check all this link in description below. Go get yours. It's about time. So what do you think about this? What do you say? It's pretty good, eh? I really like it. Okay. Pretty cool. And this is perfect for this weather. It's fall is here. I can still have this, not too shady, not too dark, just perfect color. Right? Oh my goodness, this is super. Thank you so much, Fytoo, for this. I really love it. Big time. What do you say? I know, it's gorgeous, hey? This is progressive, so we really have to be taking care. We have to take care of our eyesight because, as I've said, better vision is a better life, and it's a better day every day to have a perfect prescription, perfect shape and style and frame. So yeah, what I've liked this one, and why do I choose this one? Because this has new, as I've said earlier, this has new nose lid it doesn't give a mark in our nose lid. So anyway, I super like it. I can see it so perfectly here. Right, so I can minimize that, and I have that, so I can definitely see it perfectly. Thank you so much. And yeah, well, that's my school. We're not touching that. So yes, I can't really wait to try this on outdoor. Okay, I will choose which one to try on, or we'll see if I can try the 4 of this outdoor. I will do my best, and I will see you in my outdoor try on. Okay, thank you. See you there, please.